Simple Nature, accessible at https://simplenature.com, is a US-based online wellness brand, operated by Simple Nature LLC out of Ohio, dedicated to providing science-backed, all-natural supplements with a strong emphasis on gut health, digestive comfort, and overall daily vitality. The website serves as a clean, modern e-commerce platform showcasing their curated lineup of premium products, led by their flagship bestseller Gut Restore Ultimate, a high-potency 10-strain probiotic formula designed to restore gut balance, significantly reduce bloating, support smoother digestion, strengthen immunity, and promote consistent well-being for thousands of satisfied users. Complementing this core offering are complementary products like Active Enzymes, featuring a powerful blend of 18 plant-based digestive enzymes to enhance nutrient absorption and ease occasional digestive discomfort. Essential Collagen Protein, a clean, unflavored, keto-friendly powder delivering 10 grams of type 1 and 3 collagen per serving to benefit skin elasticity, joint health, and even gut lining support. And Elite Multivitamin Pro, a comprehensive daily multi sourced from over 42 real fruits and vegetables, packing 27 essential vitamins and minerals to boost energy, immune function, and holistic nutrition without synthetic fillers. The brand positions itself as part of a movement towards simpler, smarter gut health, prioritizing approachable, effective formulations that help real people feel noticeably better every day, backed by glowing customer testimonials from individuals who report life-changing relief from issues like IBS symptoms, chronic bloating, constipation triggers, and stubborn stomach discomfort. Visitors to the site can explore a dedicated shop section with bundle deals, such as multi-bottle packs for savings, free shipping promotions, and a generous 60-day satisfaction guarantee allowing hassle-free returns, while the accompanying Gut Health Insights blog delivers practical, research-informed articles on topics ranging from eliminating persistent stomach pain and identifying IBS warning signs to avoiding common constipation culprits. With a positive reputation, including BBB accreditation and scam checker validations confirming legitimacy, Simple Nature appeals to health-conscious consumers seeking transparent, natural alternatives to support long-term digestive harmony and vibrant living rather than quick fixes.